Good day everyone, and welcome back to Atkinson's Bullion and Coins. Here we are again with another of the Royal Mint's new range of Queen's Beast coins. This box has just freshly arrived this morning. It is our first delivery of the silver 2-ounce Falcon of the Plantagenets 2019 coin. As you can see, the coins are in this monster box which comes sealed from the Royal Mint. We'll open this in a second and show you what's inside. 10 coins in each tube and 20 tubes per box, making a monster box of 200 coins. So without any further ado, let's have a look inside. There you are, that's the official Royal Mint lid, and into the tubes inside. So here we are with the 20 tubes full of our new Falcon of the Plantagenet 2-ounce silver coin. As you can see, each of the tubes comes with the Royal Mint logo, and they are now a simple twist and turn to release. And inside we have our first glimpse of the new 2-ounce silver Queen's Beast coin, the Falcon of the Plantagenets, with a 2019 date. Let's have a little look. So here we are with our first look at this fabulous new coin, beautifully designed by the Royal Mint. The polished finish, as you can see, around the outside and through the body of the Falcon and the crest, with the satin finish behind, giving that great, almost proof-like appearance, although they are just a bullion coin. If we turn the coin, you can start to see on profile just the thickness, and gives you an idea of the weight because of the 2-ounce double thickness. Turning over to Her Majesty's side, again beautifully designed with the satin background and the polished face of Her Majesty, gives you the impression of the quality of the coin that the Royal Mint have been able to produce. Stunning. As a little treat, we've also got for you, as part of this series, both the 1-ounce in gold and the 1/4 ounce in gold. There you can see the difference in size, but the quality of the coin is the same as on the silver coin, with the plain edge and body and the satin finished to the central background of the coins. This is the latest release in the Queen's Beast series, and I'm sure it's going to be every bit as popular as the original 5 pieces have already been. You can just see the difference in the size of the coin between the 1/4 ounce and the 1 ounce. Hope you've enjoyed looking at these coins as they've just arrived with us, and we will be getting some more YouTubes to you as soon as possible with the latest arrival of 2019 coins, especially the Lunar Pig designs, which have come from both Royal Mint and the Perth Mint, and we'll also be featuring some Pamp Lunar Pig bars as soon as they arrive with us in the next week or so. So look out for the YouTube videos coming thick and fast at this time of year.